Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand today inaugurated an exclusive special court for the National Investigation Agency (NIA) within the Thoubal court complex at Khangabok in Thoubal district, expressing optimism that the facility will significantly enhance the state's justice delivery system. The inaugural ceremony was also attended by Home Minister Govindas Konthoxam, Khangabok MLA Okram Surjikumar, High Court of Manipur Chief Justice M. Sundar, Justices A. Bimol and A. Guneshwar Sharma, alongside Principal Secretary Law Arun Kumar Sinha. Speaking as a chief guest, Chief Minister Khemchand highlighted that Manipur has numerous cases pending with the National Investigating Agency. He expressed confidence that the dedicated NIA court will fast-track these legal proceedings and relieve local litigants from the burden of travelling to other states for court appearances. Established by the Ministry of Home Affairs under Section 11 of the National Investigation Agency Act 2008, this special court will serve as the primary venue for conducting all NIA case trials within Manipur. The function also featured the presence of district-level officers, various courts judges and advocates.
NIA court justice delivered over Matamda, Kumang Safana, to Natogani, Heavy, Hazava Tanjari, Venera, Iran, Levalevania, NIA related courts case, Atukimatic Yam Levanina, Ekogi, Klein Singer, Mapan the Chatana, an expensive winner, Chalam Buduma, and Darani, Heavy, the Gaimanda, Kogi, Luna justice delivered over the two Bamatamda, Tawugi, system, Natna Levalina,